When you're shopping for a car, the first thing you do is decide what you want to spend and what you can afford. It's not too hard to figure out the math of what you can afford. If you're shopping for a Lamborghini, this video probably isn't for you. But when you're shopping for a home, there are a lot of factors to keep in mind. Credit score differences affect rates, different loan programs have widely varied down payment requirements, and even things like fixed versus adjustable rates make the transaction a little more complicated than just some simple math. That's where pre-qualification comes into play. Talking to your loan officer before you go shopping for a home can let you get a real figure on what you can afford and what amount you may be approved for on a mortgage. Let's go into some detail on what this process looks like. As stated before, a pre-qualification comes from your loan officer and it helps you get an idea of how much you may have available to buy a home. Without a pre-qualification, neither you or the seller of the home know if you can afford the amount you're offering. Many sellers won't even entertain offers from someone without a pre-qual to prove that they have the money to back the offer. So how do you go about getting one of these? The first step is to get in touch with your mortgage professional and explain that you're looking to get pre-qualified or pre-approved for a home loan. Your loan officer is going to ask some information right away and will also pull your credit report. Once your credit has been reviewed, they'll determine the next steps to take, and there will probably be some follow-up questions. They may ask for work history, current employer, how long you've worked there, what's your monthly income, hourly or salary pay, self-employed? Oh, okay. Probably some more follow-ups. You get the idea. Answer these questions as accurately as you can, because it will save you both a lot of time and effort down the line when you're going through the actual mortgage process. And because accuracy in these answers is the way we make sure the amount of the pre-qual is something you would actually be approved for. A good loan originator is going to ask you some questions about what you're looking for on your loan. Unless you watch a lot of our videos, and you should, that subscribe button is right down there at the bottom of the video. You may not have a good idea of your options. So they're going to ask some questions about down payment and the kinds of areas you're looking for a home as well. Once you've answered everything, they may need to run the numbers for a bit, but you should have a pre-qualification letter in pretty short order, making you equipped to go out shopping with a good knowledge of what you can afford. That all may sound a little complicated at first glance, but you're not buying a TV, an iPhone, or even a car. You're buying a home. And for a major investment like that, it's better to have the advice of a financial advisor than to rely on your own intuition. If you have any questions about pre-qualification, feel free to leave them in the comments below or email us directly at info@callequity.com. As always, please like and subscribe to keep our videos coming to you. Thanks for watching.